Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, we continue to see this ABC structure to the downside to be unfolding. In this C wave, which I count as an ending diagonal, we've got 5 waves. The idea is still unchanged that there is a really good chance for another low. I'm primarily looking for another low. Cannot confirm a low in place at this stage. We're still consolidating just below the $22.20 level, which I highlighted as level that, if we break above that level, I will start to consider that a low is in. I mean, I'm already considering it, but then I will probably make the scenario that a lasting low has been put in place primary scenario if we break above this level. Until then, I'm still watching if we can get another low. The structure within this C wave is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm a little bit unsure about is this wave 4. Was it actually reset here? So did the wave 4 move over here or not? Does it really matter too much? Not so much. In both scenarios, I would expect lower prices. The question is just, okay, did this wave 4 just unfold maybe as a flat structure and we're now starting the 5th wave down? Or did the wave 4 already top here and we have an A, B, C structure? Again, it doesn't really matter so much for the analysis. I guess we'll know more very shortly, but either way, as long as we stay below $22.20, I count the wave 4 either as complete on the 24th of August or here on the 29th of August. In both cases, I would be watching for another low. So it really needs to take price above that previous B wave high to consider that a low is in, or to, confirm, you could say, okay, so to indicate that a low is in. If price moves higher from here, we will have strong resistance, in my opinion, at around that B wave high at $25.40. And if we add previous volume profiles, we can also identify that there is historical volume around this area, around $23.30, $23.20. This is a cluster of resistance. And then up there, as I just said, around the B wave high, there's also a volume cluster. So a lot of trades or a lot of historical trades were made, a lot of volume you could find around that price level. So that's typically where the price is starting to slow down, where prices start to get choppy. So that means, yes, if we break above 22.20, price can probably move quite quickly to that next cluster in resistance, and potentially even higher to that sort of $25 range, okay? And then we need to take it from there. But at the moment, there is no evidence that Solana wants to do it. And as long as we don't have evidence for that, the focus is on lower, because the ideal structure would still suggest another low. But overall, one of the better altcoins at the moment, holding really well. Hasn't made a new bear market low yet. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see a lot of coins actually broke already below their June lows. Solana is far away from that. It's actually holding quite well. Below the current support level, which is $20, we've got $19.50. But really, in a 5th wave of a C wave to the downside, another low should be made below that, between $17 and $17.90. And below that, we've got sort of $15.90 and then $15. These are all fib levels that we need to pay attention to while we are still focusing on lower. If things change, I will let you know. It's absolutely possible the low could be in. I explained that to you here with that swing low on the 23rd of August, the $19.50 level. This could have completed this entire downturn. Yeah, we have enough waves in place. It doesn't need to go down any lower, but the price structure currently still suggests it. And I would prefer it based on the subdivisions and Fibonacci levels. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.